What's up, fellas? Welcome to another sad occasion. Before I begin, guys, I'd like to pass my greatest condolences, uh, and I'd like to appreciate the life of which my leader, that is the Honorable Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga, has offered in Kenya in terms of democracy and development in which Kenya has gone through. Since when I was born, I'm a 90s guy, so millennial type guy. So the kind of democracies that has been seen through, we can't compare it with other countries where democracy hasn't been seen, especially past the 80s where, multipartism came in and things like those. So the freedoms that we do enjoy, the kind of liberties we enjoy is out of him, and I really appreciate a lot. And it's a tremendous effort in which we have come from. I wasn't born in those days, but based on the way I was brought up, there's been a lot of challenges, but Kenya, we have grown and grown and grown, where we are now example to other countries how democracy works. Whether we go to elections, we see how democracy works. And it's because of one guy, that is Mr. Raila Amolo Odinga, has given us that tremendous effort. So back to our issue, guys. There is this poster that I have posted on behalf of our company, that is in terms of charges for consultation. So some people have been asking, what's about this consultation, or what is this kind of thing? I know, guys, it's new, but let me break it down in a simple way. So you guys, some of you or most of you have approached me to ask about the laptop you want, the kind of desktop you want for your use. So the first thing as us as Wingu Techspot, what we usually ask you guys is, what do you intend to do? What are you trying to solve? So some of you may be doing it for fun. Some of you may be playing games. Some of you may be just doing, for kids. Some of you may be doing it for editing. Editing means video editing, graphic design, and things like those. Others of you might be choosing to do coding, which is good, by the way. All of you guys are our clients. Some of you are customers because you come for us with your needs. So in order to do so, we ask you such questions, we know and establish what your needs are so that we solve your problem. Let's say you are coming from an academic setup and you want a laptop to assist you, whether in video conferencing and marking assignments and posting work and things like those. So we advise you in accordance to that need you have. Others of you will come, we tell you, you ask us, you tell us that you have this kind of need, you are doing editing and you need a performing laptop or a performing desktop. That those of you who prefer using desktop environment. So you'll ask us, I want to use this kind of device to help me create videos or edit videos or even do designs. Some of you may be doing heavy designs, let's say even architecture, those people who use AutoCAD. So some of those require a performing machine. There are those of you who will come and ask us and call us. What we do is we package all that knowledge to give you reliable solutions. So what are the solutions? We first identify the problem you have, and then we give you the possibilities. We tell you, for you, you need a high performance machine, you need this kind of RAM, you need this kind of storage, you need this kind of CPU, or both CPU and GPU. All of this, we package them into that price. And this is where now we deliver in terms of ranges. So we say like between 20,000 to 40,000, we say like it's 3,000. And then we say from 40,000 to 60,000 is Kenya shillings 4,000, and between 60,000 to 100,000 is 5,000. And if you're spending, that is, if you're spending above, at least from 100,000 to 120,000, then we charge you the fee of 8,000. Then finally, we have those top tier. Top tier means people who are purchasing premium laptops. Doesn't mean these others aren't good, but premium laptops. Those laptops that you buy original price, like let's say like the Legion laptops, those for gaming, and maybe like the HP Victors, all those kind of series, even MacBooks. So we ask you guys to give us Kenya shillings 10,000 for us to give you solutions. So the reason being this, we understand the kind of needs you guys have by telling us what you need. And then we liaise with credible, verified sellers in Nairobi. We might not know about others because they are not within Nairobi, but there are only those we can walk in and verify the product is there. Then we tell you, please come for your product. Here it is. So this is where Wingu Techspot comes in and gives you the solution. And then you guys come and experience the machine that you have after we deliver the solutions for you. We come and tell you, please come and get your laptop, see it, touch it, open, close it. Simple as that. But then there's one thing, guys, we ask you. For us to believe that you pay Kenya shillings 1,000 as a deposit to confirm your commitment towards the process of finding the solution. So guys, I hope I have made it clear for all of you that this is the consultation service, not the product price. Because if we were to combine product and consultation, we would be talking of something different. So we tell you the product price if the product is available, and we tell you this series is available. Then guys, we humbly ask you, guys, always call us. If you can't call us, you can either call myself, Wahome, or you can call Mercy with the numbers provided down below the video. So call us, text us, WhatsApp us, ask us questions in regards to availability of the devices, whether it's a laptop, whether it's a desktop. Ask us so that we verify whether the product is there. If it's not, we give you an alternative, if you allow us to give you alternatives. Feel free to ask us any questions in regards to the service down below, or you can call us or text us. So see you guys. See you in the next purchase. See you in our new service delivery. The first one to call gets the benefits of the services we give at a special discount. So see you guys. Bye bye.